Alright guys, I am doing a video today for one of my subscribers, KMC. Appreciate your questions, comments, and support. You asked about the Ironmaster IM2000 Smith sliding rails and how they work. You wanted to see them up close and personal. So today guys, I am going to show you up close and personal what it looks like on these sliding rails. Also, I wanted to mention that this is one of the things that fascinates me the most. There's so many different types of self-spotting or Smith machines out there, but this company has a very unique system that's different from other ones, which makes it easier to maintain, super smooth. It feels just like real weight. Not only that, longevity. You know that it's going to last a long time. There are machines like this that have been made back in the 80s, 90s, early 2000s. People still use them to this day, and I should tell you something. Not including that the company Ironmaster has an amazing lifetime warranty on their products. You can always reach out to them and they will help you out. So let's take a closer look. So as you can see, these are the sliding rails. This is in the upmost position. If I go down low, you can kind of see it here. It's a special kind of plastic or something underneath. And what's cool is they tell you using this machine right here, literally, when this part is not on and screwed in, because this has a screw on the top to hold it in place, but all you're doing is just carefully placing both of those sides, sorry, a little blurry, both of those sides on, and it slides down. And you think about it, whatever kind of material that is on the inside, it doesn't really get damaged because all it's doing is sliding up and down. Also, if you're going to be using this machine right here, what you're going to do is you're going to have these safety bars right there, the safety springs. So if this does fall, it gets protected. It literally just bounces off the bottom right there. So I'm also going to unscrew this, and we'll bring this down. Well, that fell. So I'm going to unhook, and now this slides freely up and down. I'm going to put that all the way down there, show you the sliding or the side rails, and I just greased them up for this video. When you purchase this item from Ironmaster, you actually get the silicone spray for free, so you don't have to worry about spending your money on that. You can also get more from them at the time of purchase, or go to any hardware store to pick it up. And then this is going to be a top angle so you can see what it is. So like I said, I don't know if it's a special kind of like plastic or what they use, but all I can say is that it works good. And also that I am very satisfied with the product and confident in their warranty. Hopefully that helps you. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any other questions, let me know down in the comments below, and make sure to leave a like so I get some more views, subscribers, and I can put out more awesome content for you guys. Oh, one more thing. I'll show you the one they gave me. So this is the one they gave me. Foster's. This is the silicone spray. Not only is this good for my machine, but if you have any squeaky doors in your house, you can just spray that on the door and that'll take care of it for you. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.